Hi everyone, and welcome to our quiz. This is our first quiz of the day, and we would like you to sign up. And please sign up using this handy-dandy little QR code here. And we would also like to tell you, please sign up with your first and last name, or with the name that you signed up to Brella, so that we can actually find you there. And you can find us. And in order for you to find us, in case you win something, my name is Eva Lettner. I'm one of the engineering managers at Container Solutions. And my co-host today is Thomas.
Yep, and I'm a cloud native engineer at Container Solutions. And can't wait for all of you joining this quiz and to have a bit of fun with the questions that we have prepared for you. So for joining the quiz, you either scan the QR code that's here, or the other option is to go to slido.com and use the hashtag provided here.
Yes, so please use the hashtag or use your QR code to sign up here. Also, you might notice that we are a teeny tiny bit delayed on what you can see on our slides and what you can see on your phone. Please follow the quiz along on your phones, because that will be just as much faster than what you can see here. So please sign up. Yeah, so we got the first sign up. Awesome. Please use your first and last name so that we can identify you on Brella in case you win.
Yeah, the procedure for that would be, when we are done with the quiz, we will find the 3 winners of this contest, and then we'll ask you to contact back us, and we'll verify your name and then ask for your more details to give you the prizes. Speaking of which, what prizes do we have, Eva, today?
We have t-shirts and we have socks, so we have awesome apparel for you. Everyone likes conference t-shirts, right? And we miss them so much because we can't go to conferences now. So for your chance to win t-shirts and socks, this is awesome. You can win socks. Please sign up for the quiz and join us. We have a couple of signups already, so please go ahead and sign up. And then we will start in a minute or two. We will give you a tiny bit more time to sign up, and then we go on.
Just a few words maybe about the rules that we have for this quiz. So there will be 10 questions, 1 correct answer to each of those. Then we will see leaderboards based on number of correct answers and also how fast you answer those questions. So the winner would be most correct answers and the fastest at the same time.
Exactly. And there is no question that has multiple answers. Every single question has 1 correct answer.
Okay, should we wait a half minute more, or?
Yes, there are still people popping up on my screen. So let's wait a couple seconds longer and then we go on.
Okay. Well, maybe one thing which can repeat, so beware of there is a delay, so between what you can see here on the live stream and what you actually have in your quiz. So don't wait until we read the question or it's seen here, but answer it straight away on your phone or wherever you do that. Exactly.
Please follow your device and not us here. We might be a tiny bit slower for you. So I have now 52 signups. Let's see if we can get a couple more and then we will start. Also, if you don't win anything in this quiz, there is a second chance. We have a second quiz later today. So you have a second chance to join the quiz, but there are different questions. So you don't have any advantage over the people joining the second quiz. Okay, so sign up seems to have slowed down. So let's start with the first question. What does SRE stand for? I mean, you're at an SRE conference. You tell us.
Yeah,
Thomas, you could answer this question, right?
Yeah. Would it be a software engineering excellence or maybe one of the other options like system resilience engineering? Let's wait a few seconds more, and now we should be ready to see a leaderboard.
It was, of course, site reliability engineering. And everyone seems to have got that right. Awesome, very good. And on our leaderboard at the moment, you were very quick. So please make sure to stay on track with that. And on to our second question.
Okay, what is DevOps? Is it a job role, or maybe a cyclops in IT, or an approach to ops? So let's see how this one goes. Actually, I can see also the results the answers coming up live. So yeah, people are giving different answers here. And let's see the results.
Okay, there was a bit of a divide, but it's an approach to ops.
And now
you first place. Okay, on to the third question. Which of these is not related to DevOps? AC/DC, CI/CD, or MTTR?
So we've got four different four-letters acronyms, and let's just find out which is not DevOps related.
Don't accidentally click on the wrong one. You only have one correct answer. And a couple of seconds.
Okay.
There you go. Which is not related to DevOps. AC/DC, of course.
Yeah, so again, most people got it right. And
yes. And again, the first place has changed. So let's go on to the fourth one.
Yeah, so which KPI reflects your actual performance? Is it SLA, SLO, or SLI?
That's a lot of tiny little acronyms.
Yeah, it's something really important to SRE, but which one would be the actual performance here? That's interesting to see what we have in the answers. I can already see live that there is a bigger divide here.
Ooh.
So let's see.
Yeah. Okay, so people weren't really sure on that one.
Yeah, and the correct answer is
SLI.
Okay. So we've got a new leader again.
Yes, awesome. Okay, which of these is a valid number for nodes in an etcd cluster? 2, 3, or 4? You're watching this live again, Thomas? What are the answers looking like?
Yeah, I'm looking at it, and yeah, there is one answer that people give the most. So yeah, that looks good. And actually, yeah, it requires just a little bit of knowledge about stuff like Kubernetes etcd, and let's see.
But most people knew it. Congratulations, it was 3. Okay, Alexander is still on top. Was the first one in the last round as well. And on to the next question.
Okay, our next question. When was Kubernetes first release? Was it July 10th, 2012? Or was it June the 7th, 2014? Or January the 5th, 2015? So this is kind of a history question.
Everyone likes a history question.
Yeah, actually, have you tried Kubernetes back then, Eva? Or you joined it later on? For me, it was similar. Yeah, I waited some time after trying it. Okay, we've got
Yeah,
a
2014.
clear tendency for this one, and this was the correct answer.
Very
So
good.
that's nice. And what our leaderboard looks like now. A
Alexander
new
was
leader.
dethroned. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. It's still exciting. So
Yeah.
let's see. Next question. What Google project inspired Kubernetes? Was it Vulkan, Klingon, or Borg?
Huh.
Yeah. What's your favorite Star Trek, Thomas?
Yeah, actually, I'm not following Star Trek so much. So yeah, but
Are you a Star Trek or a Star Wars person?
no, neither actually. No, not at all. So, but yeah, but there is some theme for sure behind Kubernetes.
It was the Borg. Yes, very good.
And our leaderboard now.
Still looks the same, but we're still fighting
Reshuffled,
for the first couple of places. So very nice. Next question.
Okay, what is RFC 2324? What is RFC for? So is it IP over IVAN carriers with quality of service, or is it hypertext coffee pod control protocol, or maybe establishing the protocol police? Do you know all those different RFCs, Eva? And
No, I don't. Yeah. Also, I just got a note that we need to wrap up quickly. But we are almost done. We're almost done. Screen.
Yeah.
Stream. It's gonna be fine. It's the hypertext coffee pod protocol.
Control. Okay. And
yeah. Okay. And oops.
Our leaders. Kaivala.
Still the same. Okay. What is the most popular container image? Postgres, Redis, or Nginx?
That's interesting. This one is based on the data that are published from Datadog. So they publish their stats, and they can say what people use the most. So that's interesting to see what people would guess here.
Okay, that was almost a perfect score for Nginx. Very good. And we're off to our last question. And that is, which of these is exclusively culinary term? Cookbook, chef, or hot plate?
Wow. So some of those have double meanings. They would mean something in IT DevOps world as well.
Okay, and this is our last question. So after these, please, the 3 winners, find us on Umbrella and write to either Thomas or me. Okay, and it was the hot plate.
Yep, that's correct. And
this is our leaderboard. So Thomas, if you could quickly take a screenshot for us. Please, the first 3 contact us on Umbrella. And that was it from us. Thank you very much for participating. And if you want a second chance, see us again a little later and have a wonderful rest of the conference. Bye, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Bye.